What's up, guys? So just want to make this quick video for my good friend and buddy Nico Moreno. So I started with Nico about 10 to 12 months ago. What ended up happening, he's actually the person who introduced me to many chatbots, and he's also a great coach, but he introduced me to many chatbots, and I actually have used that, and I've gone from 0 to 7 figures in just a year. I just applied for my 2 Comma Club Awards, super excited to receive that. So I've actually got another business that's doing even better. So I got 2 businesses now. That one's 6 figures, should be 7 soon. The other one is 7 figures. So super glad I worked with him, because if I hadn't met him, if I hadn't implemented what he taught me, I'd still be making, I was still making good money, but it wasn't anything like I'm doing now. So the thing that really makes Nico different from other coaches is he's just a genuine guy. Like, he's a really good friend of mine. You can trust what he says, and he's been in the game. Like, he knows what he's doing. He's been in the trenches. So what he's telling you to do, he knows from experience works. And that's one of the biggest things you have to rely on. And then, so really, if you're struggling with either getting like your webinar going, or your internet marketing business going, or you need help with chatbots or anything of that expertise, Nico's going to be the guy for you. He's really helped me, and he's someone I'd always recommend to work with. So if you get a chance, definitely take him up on that. You can always feel free to reach out and ask me. More than happy to give you more insight. But I don't do videos a lot, but I do it for people I trust and I believe in. So definitely, if you get a chance, work with Nico. He's a great guy, and he'll get you to 7 figures and beyond, no doubt about it. Take him up on it. Talk to you soon.